DBO4 remote control tutorial. Available in black and white. Back of the remote control. There's a switch. Open the phone settings. Find the Bluetooth option. In available equipment, find a DISA90 and connect it. After a successful connection, you can control your cell phone to take pictures. Click the shoot button. You can take photos remotely. Left and right buttons to freely switch camera modes. There's also a button on the side of it. This button switches the front and rear lenses. Double-click plus to zoom in infinitely. Double-click can shrink the screen infinitely. Watching short videos, click under the arrow keys to switch up the video. See a favorite video, double-click the love button to like. Clicking on the heart button pauses playback. Click play again. Click the keys on the arrow, then you can switch down the video. Left and right arrow keys to switch channels. If you want to use TikTok's shooting feature, then you need to turn on the side button shooting function. Click on the shoot button to shoot. Double-clicking plus also enables infinite zooming. Long press left and right arrow keys when watching TikTok. Volume can be adjusted. You can also turn the pages of a novel. Also supports rechargeable use.